Hey everyone, welcome back to Next Level English. If you've ever asked yourself, how can I speak English more naturally? Or how can I sound like a native speaker? Then you're in the right place. Today I'm going to share one of the most effective techniques that changed the game for millions of English learners around the world. It's called shadowing. And no, it has nothing to do with real shadows. So let's break it down. What is shadowing? Shadowing is a powerful technique where you listen to a native speaker and repeat what they say immediately, just like their echo or shadow. Imagine walking behind someone and copying every move they make. That's what shadowing is, but with language. This technique trains your pronunciation, accent, intonation, that rise and fall in the voice, rhythm and flow of English, listening and speaking at the same time. It's used by language learners, actors, and even interpreters to sound fluent and confident. Why should you use shadowing? Here's what makes shadowing special. It helps you stop translating in your head. It builds automatic responses. You learn real-life expressions and native flow. And best of all, it's active learning, not boring repetition. Most people just listen passively, but shadowing forces you to speak, think, and listen together, like real conversation. How to practice shadowing, step by step. Let's walk through it. Choose a short audio, 30 seconds to 2 minutes, a movie scene, TED Talk, podcast, or even a YouTube video like this one. Make sure it's by a native speaker. Listen carefully first. Don't jump into shadowing yet. Understand what's being said. Play it again and repeat sentence by sentence. Try to copy exactly how the speaker talks, their speed, tone, pauses, and even emotion. For example, I'm going to the store. Now you repeat, same tone, same speed. Repeat the same clip 3 to 5 times. The more you repeat, the smoother you get. Record yourself and compare. It's one of the best ways to see your progress. Try shadowing with me to practice. Let's try it together. I'll say a short sentence and you shadow me right after. I want to improve my English. Your turn. Shadowing helps me speak better. Your turn. Every day I get more confident. Now you. Nice, that's exactly how it works. Tips for success. Start slow. Don't worry about being perfect. Choose content that matches your level. Use subtitles at first if needed, then remove them. Be patient and consistent. Shadowing is like building muscles. It takes practice. Final words. Shadowing may feel hard at first, but trust me, it's one of the fastest ways to sound fluent and natural in English. I've seen students go from shy and nervous to confident, clear, and expressive speakers, all by using shadowing daily. So start today, even just 5 minutes. Pick a video, play it, and shadow it. And if you want more practice, check out the videos on our channel. I'll be making shadowing practice videos just for you. Comment below what you're going to shadow today. Like this video, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell so you never miss a lesson. This is Next Level English, and I believe in you. Go shadow and go shine.